Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're in YouTube Studio now, so open Content and select the target video. Click Editor to jump straight into the Trim tool. Place the playhead at the exact start of the 10-second segment you want removed. Zoom the timeline for finer control. This helps you pick frame-accurate start and end points. Once set, add a marker at that start point, then move the playhead to the end of the 10 seconds and mark it too. These markers let you isolate the unwanted segment precisely. Once your start and end markers are placed, you split at each marker to turn that 10-second portion into its own clip. You'll see 3 pieces: before, the 10 segment, and after. Select the middle piece and press delete. This removes the unwanted content. Next, drag the remaining clips together to close the gap. Make sure to add a short fade or crossfade if the jump feels abrupt. Preview the edit from a few seconds before to a few seconds after to confirm timing and continuity. When your preview looks right, click Save. Choose to overwrite or save as a new version depending on whether you need the original. YouTube will process the edit. Processing time varies with length and resolution, so be patient. After processing, visit the watch page to confirm the 10 seconds are gone and that chapters, captions, and thumbnails still align. If trimming fails, perhaps due to restrictions or live content, download the original. Edit with a local editor to remove those 10 seconds. Then reupload and replace the old link if necessary.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.